Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you add follow button on Facebook account. So first of all, open your Facebook apps. So first of all, check my profile. My profile shown here to the add friend option. Now I am customize this add follow button. So go back. Look at the right side, tap onto three line, click on setting icon, scroll down, go back, and then now I am checking. Okay, now successfully add follow button my Facebook account. So that's how you can do it.